Hey guys, Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're gonna talk about our US flagpole with luggage rack mount, and also has a universal mount. This you can put on your luggage rack. With the universal mount, you could put it on a backrest, fender, fairing mounts, whatever you see fit. All right, so we're gonna be installing on our luggage rack. So what we wanna do, because we're putting on the luggage rack, we're gonna take off the universal mount. On the bottom, there's two 4mm Allen head screws. We're gonna pull those out. So then once you have those two screws out, you can pull this bottom clamp part off, remove the universal standoff, and then I think we're gonna put ours right in the middle of our rack here. So we'll set this on here, take our clamp, put it on the bottom here, take one of our screws, get it started, grab our other screw. And then to make it a little easier, you can kind of rock this forward. And anytime you're doing clamps, you don't want to just tighten one down all the way. It won't put even pressure on the clamp. So you gotta want to just go back and forth until they're, somewhat snug. Like that, and then you can rotate it, whatever kind of angle you want. And flip your Allen around and go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, so then to put the flag on, just unscrew this top piece here. Take off one of these rubber grommets. Put your flag on over the pole. You might have to push this one down a little bit. Put your rubber back on. And then put your top piece back on. So here's an example of one way to use the universal mount. Tighten the clamp down to the standoff, get the screw, put it in. On this backrest, we have a hole for a luggage rack that we're not using. So just put that on like that. Washer, nut. Obviously you can use different size screws to go through the standoff. Put your flag on, top piece on.